what to do if you're looking for some healthy snacks and if you've got some fruit that's going to go off. What about a bit of sorbet? I've peeled some peaches that was getting to their end and some oranges. We're going to make some sorbet. So I've picked the quick fruit sorbet to make. We'll say start cooking. So ask for 180 grams of sugar. Now that's a lot of sugar. I reckon we're going to do 40 grams because peaches and oranges are quite sweet already. You can leave all the sugar out if you want. You can make it more just as you wish. Then put our lid on and going to mill it for 15 seconds. So raw sugar, 15 seconds, icing sugar. Now it's asking for 1 lemon for approximately 40 grams. I don't have a lemon, so I'm just going to use some lemon juice. I'm going to go to my scales and do about 20 grams. Oops. Then we're going back to the recipe. So the lemon's in. Then 300 grams of fresh mixed fruit cut into pieces. You can use any fruit, but we've got peach and orange today. And then we're going to chop that up for 10 seconds. All right, that's a nice pulp now. Right, now we need to add a kilogram of ice. There we go. So while we chopping up the ice, I'm going to help it with the spatula. It's got a little video to show you if you don't know what it means. And now we're going to blend it. That is it. Minute and a half. We've got beautiful sorbet. Now I've got to taste this first. See if this combination is good. Really good.